welcome to Nathe TV. I'm Nathe, and this is just a quick introduction video on what my channel is about. The main purpose of it is for me to create web development tutorials. Having been a developer for 14 years, I'll be focusing on WordPress, React.js, Next.js, and a bunch of other web technologies, like JavaScript, CSS, jQuery, PHP, MySQL, and a bunch of others, libraries and languages. I'll also be creating videos on tech how-tos and also solutions to common development issues and errors. So, if you found one of my videos useful or you're interested in my future videos, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell on YouTube to receive any notifications on any future videos I release. And I'll see you in one of my new videos.